What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Jason with Russell's Off-Road. Today we got this sexy thing right here back in the driveway, the old Suburban. So we've been doing some work to it off camera. Got a new radiator in it, got some go juice. So today this thing, it's been leaking out of the transfer case for quite a while. We're going to be pulling the transfer case out, resealing it, checking it while we're in there, just making it more road worthy for John. So stay tuned. All right, so we got the transfer case out. It's an MP 241 new process, all aluminum. You know, it's a good transfer case. So what we're going to do, we're going to start tearing it apart to do new seals, and we're going to reseal the case itself, new O-rings and all that. So here we go. All right, so we got the transfer case all tore down. Now we're just gonna start cleaning it up. Someone was in this thing before and used a ton of silicone, so it's gonna be a long process of getting all the silicone removed, but internals look good, the chain looks good, gears look good. So once we get all the silicone, we'll go back with the bearings and the new seals and gaskets and everything, and then this thing will be ready to put back in the old Bourbon and get this thing back on the road. so we just about got this thing wrapped up and put back together. You got a retainer ring to put on, and then the tail shaft and the seal to put in it. Then we'll be putting this thing back in and butting up a few things. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. So like, comment, check out the website to get some merch, and thanks for watching. All right, so we got the transfer case put back in, but going back together with new mounts and everything. The cross member is a little tweaked, frame's a little tweaked. So we don't have a frame machine and all the necessities. So we're gonna use a come along and a soft shackle. We're gonna get stuff pulled into place. All right, so what I would do is I would go through both of these. So I was going to just look right here. I've already bent the fuck out of that, just pulling somebody on this side. And then I was just gonna be under there with the soft shackle, wrapped around. Or we can wrap the soft shackle around through.
I still gotta be over.
Yeah. Well, it's not gonna. I don't think it's gonna take too much. Because I just want to come along under there when we can control it.
Okay, you just get it caught, and then we'll go on. I just don't want somebody's face to be in the freaking in there either.
Huh?
Are you recording this?
Yep. Okay. Okay, I need the freaking... Everything looking good over there still? Yep. Okay, so I'm putting bolt 1 in. Bolt 1 is in.
So we're probably going to want to tighten this up before we let off. Right?
Once we get it all in, we should be able to tighten it once it's all in. No matter if we let off. Oh, there. Now I see what you're talking about, the dirt. Yeah. Alright, bolt 2 going in. But this one, I don't have much thread. Do you want to get me the size of this? What was this, 5/8 on both sides?
Is that what it is?
I believe so. Or was it a 5/8 and 11/16?
Probably
5/8 and 11/16. So I need the 5/8 on the impact.
Yeah, the 5/8 is... 5/8.
Yep. And then don't need the extension. Go ahead and tighten this side down. And then I guess just go ahead and tighten all of it down. Because we do have a good bit of pressure. Easing off pressure on the come along.
Alright, frame straight again?
Yep.
That is a pretty big span though, without
Yeah.
anything going across it.
There we go. See, sometimes a soft shackling to come along comes in handy.